Hello boys, in this video we're gonna be drawing a doodle muscle man. So let's go ahead right now and finish a sketch and get on with it.
Been a little too nice for y'all, now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's, I'm flipping the balls, I'm flipping the on record, off record, I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record, I
Okay, so the sketch is looking awesome already. So now, let's go ahead and add in some doodles and ink it. Phew, that was fast. So let's go ahead and finish this thing.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to
Inking doodles, it takes a hell of a lot of time. So this is gonna take a while to finish.
Ain't trying to link no time to waste. For the record.
Okay, that was also very fast, but you know what? Let's go ahead and start coloring this thing. To begin, let's start by coloring the eyes, and I'll be using green to color Muscle Man since he's all green, you know, from the show, regular show. Oh god, the regular show. Okay, this is looking amazing already. So let's finish up and color the hands with the green and go on to coloring the clothes. Okay boys, it's getting pretty late right now and I gotta sleep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, it's early in the morning right now. I gotta be quiet cause I don't want to wake anybody up. I need to go to the DMV to complete my documentation with my driver's license. Okay, so I'll see you guys when I return and finish this drawing.
A few moments later.
So after a couple of days, I am finally finished. So let's go back home and I can finish drawing this thing. Oh, and you can follow me on Instagram. I post there every single day. Anyways, if you were still watching up till now, I just want to say thank you. You were pretty awesome and I appreciate your support. You can tell me down in the comments what you'd like me to improve my videos. Yeah, thanks for watching and enjoy the review. Please don't forget to subscribe